Today, let's solve the Leetcode problem number 11, container with most water. This is a medium complexity problem. Given n non-negative integers a1, a2, an, where each represents a point at coordinate I, a1. The given points are, let's say, take this example. These are all height, and then each point is, let's say, take this. If we take this one, this is height of this one, and this point is actually 0, 1. This is 8. This is 1, 8. This one is 2, 6. That is what they are explaining. But we can still continue looking at this example to understand better. Um, it clearly we can see this. The highlighted portion is the where we can fill the most water. This is actually the how to find the area. It is width multiplied by height. Width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the height is actually 7. So 7 into 7, it is 49. That is what the output is. This is what the maximum water we can fill it. Let's solve this using Java and then C#. First, I am going to solve this using brute force method using two for loops. Then we will solve using two pointer approach. Uh, Let me declare one variable int max area equal to initialize it as 0. This is the result we are going to return. In the for loop, for int I equal to 0, I less than given height dot length I plus plus. For int j, we need to start I from I plus 1, the next height. J less than height dot length j plus plus. Here we can calculate the area. How to calculate the area? With this width multiplied by height. How to find the width? Let's say let me declare one variable w. The width is uh, this one for each point. This one 1. This is 2. If we are considering this 2, then the width will be 2. The height will be 8. So with this, now we are in first in the first for loop. Here it will be I equal to 0 and j equal to 1. So the width we can find is j minus I. So we'll get the width int height. So let's declare height is already defined. That is the parameter we are getting. Let's define the variable h equal to the width. We need to find out width is minimum of both the heights. Sorry, height is to get that math dot min of height of I comma height of j. Out of these two, we are going to get minimum because that is where we can fill the water. So we have the h. Now we are going to find the max area. So max area equal to, normally area is w star h, but we need to find the maximum when we look through it. To find the max, use the math dot max, find, then pass the max area, the current maximum area, and the what we calculated. Out of this we'll take the max area. Finally we can return the max area. Let's run the code. It is accepted. Let me submit. Runtime is 648 millisecond, faster than 6.08 of Java online submissions. Looks like it is slow. As you see, the um, it took 648 milliseconds. We will solve it in two-pointer approach. Um, Two-pointer approach basically will loop through from here. However, we decrease from here. We start from here, and if compare with this and this one, if whichever is lower, then we'll move next. Then we'll compare from this one and this one and calculate the area. To do that, let me delete this code, then declare variable int max area equal to 0. Starting point I am going to declare for the loop. We need starting int I equal to 0, int j equal to height dot length, total number of points minus 1. So we are here. I'm going to do while loop, while I less than j. Here we can calculate the width, int width equal to, let's check this once. If height of I is less than height of j, then we do the calculation, else what will do the calculation. If it is height of I is this one, this is j is this one, so from out of this one and this one, which one, if it is this is smaller, then we can increase next. So actual step is here I plus plus. This, if this is the otherwise, we need to decrease j, that is j minus minus. But here we can calculate the max area. Max area equal to um, math dot max of current max area, comma width and height. Width is j minus I star, height is going to be height of I. That is what the minimum is, because that is less than the height of j. Here max area equal to math dot max, current max area, then j minus I star height of j here, because j is smaller. After completing this for loop, we can return max area. I think that's it. Let's run the code. A semicolon here. To make it clear, j minus I is one group and j minus I, that is actually the width. Let's put like this and run the code. What is the max? Okay, spell mistake. It is successful. Let's submit the code. Yeah, now it takes only 2 milliseconds, which is really faster. It is faster than 95.69% of Java online submissions. Let's do the same thing in C#. I'm going to copy this code, change the language C#, and paste it. It will be minimal change. The length L will be caps, and math.max m should be caps. Here also, I think that's it. Let's run the code. It is accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, this took 96 millisecond, which is faster than 97.63 percentage. This is how we can solve this problem. In the next video, we will solve different LeetCode problem. Thanks for watching.